Everybody, welcome in sync classes. Today I am saying to you what is trigonometry, how to find the angle of any kinds of the triangles, and the many kinds of measurements also depend on the trigonometry. So there are some functions I think you know. If you don't know, so also you already know sine theta. And cos theta. And tan theta. If we make a triangle here, I think you know about to the Pythagoras theorem. If you understand, here is height something and base. How to find the area of a triangle if triangle have to 90 degree, that will be required. One triangle must be 90 degree. Then you can use to the formula of Pythagoras theorem. Area of triangle equal to height into base upon 2. This formula we can find to the area of right angle triangle, but that is not important for the all kinds of triangle. You can find to the area of triangle. May be possible some triangle have to the opposite angle, just like this triangle 45, 60 degree, also measure in degree. But I understand you know that every triangle have to the total 180 degree. There use we Heron's formula. Tomorrow I will teach you what is Heron's formula and how to find. And at this time I am saying to you sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, that will be opposite. Cot, sec and cosec, that will be opposite. Sine equal to hypotenuse upon base. No, sorry. Sine theta equal to height into hypotenuse. Just like I write here, A, B, C. Sine equal to AB upon BC. And cos theta equal to BC upon AC. You can see here the hypotenuse available in both S sin theta BC and BC also available here, and cos theta sin theta equal to AB upon BC, means height upon base. And if you want to see in other way, that will be opposite, like to here cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Thank you very much. I think you will prepare. Okay. Thanks.